For rubber manufacturing companies, it is critical to maintain margins and regulations while producing the accurate formulation that can maximize the production. And having multiple factories in different locations or countries makes it even more challenging to ensure the same level of production quality is maintained while observing location-specific regulations. This is driving the need for remote monitoring and operations that can ensure success in this dynamic industry with constant improvement, both in production and in the process of operation. However, achieving better performance in operation is challenging due to the unprecedented layers of data and information are generated through all the different locations based on different parameters and quality standards. And not having a centralized monitoring system can make it even harder to identify the true status of production and take corrective actions. We at DreamzTech has developed a cloud-based production and manufacturing control solution for one of our esteemed clients to address these complex challenges. The solution is a comprehensive set of independently workable modules to support the entire production cycle for today's rubber manufacturers. Our client can now remotely monitor all their sites in different countries using our solution and get actionable data that drives faster and better decision-making. The solution also enables our client to take control of individual operations journey. That is multiple steps to be completed by respective departments. This allows every department to work independently on their point of interest. Our client can now enforce tighter regulations and data validation, based on the sensitivity of the data, and as per the task of the department. Our solution automatically track the progress of any journey, and report back regarding completion or remaining tasks, on smart widget-based dashboard. Our client can now manage and automate critical processes, connect their customers and suppliers, keep track of all the assets, and manage their accounts in a way that is accessible by key personnel from anywhere in the globe. And this has helped them to optimize process management, more uptime, increased recovery, reduced overall operational cost, and better operational decision-making, like never before. Contact us today for custom cloud-based manufacturing solution, and join the success stories with DreamzTech.